Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case on section 179 which talks about the liability of the directors in case of a private limited company. The limited issue in this present case is that can the department move to the directors of a company to recover the tax due simply because it is convenient to do so, or in other words, if the department is feeling it difficult to recover the tax from the company just because of some procedural difficulties, so whether in that case the department can directly move to the directors of a private limited company under section 179. This issue has been decided by the Honorable Bombay High Court in the case of Rajendra R. Singh versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, which has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 162. The date of the judgment is 26th July 2022. In the present case, some taxes were due to a private limited company. The tax recovery officer has already attached the land of that company. In the meantime, the department initiated proceedings under section 179 against the directors of the company to recover the tax due. The assessee went for revision under section 264 to the CIT, but the Commissioner of Income Tax also passed an order that the action initiated under section 179 against the directors of the company is justified. So the main issue for the director was that the assessing officer was inclined to recover the taxes due which were due to the company from the directors of the company, although the land of the company was already attached by the tax recovery officer. The assessee filed a writ petition in the Bombay High Court against this high-handed action of the department. Bombay High Court held that in the present case, the action initiated by the department under section 179 is not justified because the department in its affidavit has admitted that the department is not able to make the sale of the land just because of the reason that the market value of the land has not been determined. So according to the Bombay High Court, this statement of the department that the land cannot be sold only because the fair market value of the land is to be determined makes the whole order under section 179 a nullity. Bombay High Court said that the action initiated by the department under section 179 does not inform the petitioner about the intention of the department of uplifting the corporate weal in the case of a private limited company. The Bombay High Court said that the department didn't refer any matter or conclusion based on which it could assume the jurisdiction under section 179. Bombay High Court further said that the department could not resort to the proceedings under section 179 just because it is convenient for the department to do so. Friends, section 179 talks about the liability of the directors of a private limited company, and section 220 talks about when the tax is due and when the assessee is deemed in default. The Bombay High Court said that for initiating the proceedings under section 179, there are two conditions which is to be met. The first condition is that the tax is due on the company, and the second condition is that the department has demonstrated with the evidence that the department has taken the sufficient steps to recover the taxes due from the company. Only when the department is not able to recover the taxes due from the company, only in that case the department can move towards the directors of the company. So in the present case, Bombay High Court quashed the proceedings under section 179, and the order passed by the Commissioner of Income Tax under section 264 by giving a liberty to the department that in future, if the amount which could be recovered from the sale of land is less than the taxes due from the company, only in that case the department again can initiate the proceedings under section 179 against the directors of the company. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Rajendra R. Singh versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 459 ITR at page number 162. The matter has been decided by Honorable Bombay High Court and the date of the judgment is 26th July 2022. Thank you, friends.